Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file with Freetaxusa. First, you'll want to create a new account or simply log in if you're a returning user. Next, make sure you have all your important tax documents ready, like your Form W-2 from your employer and any Form 1099s for other income. Finally, accurately choose your filing status, whether you're single, married filing jointly, or another option, to ensure your return is processed correctly from the start. Once you're logged in, the next step is to carefully enter all your income information. This includes your wages from employment, any investment income, and other earnings. If you're self-employed, you'll need to report that income using Schedule C. It's crucial to double-check all the details from your Form 1099 to ensure everything matches up perfectly, preventing any potential issues later on. Now, let's talk about saving money. Freetaxusa helps you find all the deductions you qualify for, which can significantly lower your taxable income. Don't forget to claim every tax credit you're eligible for, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe or increase your refund. Take your time to review all your entries carefully to ensure you haven't missed any opportunities to save. You're almost done. Before you hit submit, take a moment to conduct a thorough final review of your entire tax return. Check for any typos or missed information. Once you're confident everything is accurate, you can choose to e-file for a quick submission or print and mail your return. And hey, while you're taking care of business, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.